Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty Prediction Weekly video series. I am BL Guru. Nifty and Nifty Bank Index have moved up very well last week. However, the broad range that we had set last week still remains intact. There is room for the index to move further up within this range. But we insist the traders to remain very careful and not be overly bullish at this point of time. Let us now look at the charts and see the outlook for the coming week. The break above 22,165, the 21-day moving average, which is the black line on the chart, is a positive. But a strong follow-through rise above the resistance at 22,530 is needed to strengthen the up move. 22,165 and 21,950 are the important supports. If the Nifty manages to sustain about 22,165, the chances are high for it to break 22,530 and rise to 22,900 this week. A break above 22,900 can trigger an extended rise to 23,200. On the other hand, Nifty will come under pressure for a fall to 21,700 and 21,500 only if it breaks below 21,950. So broadly, 21,950 to 22,530 can be the trading range for some time. A breakout on either side of this range will decide whether the Nifty can go up to 22,900 and 23,200 or fall to 21,500. Nifty Bank Index has moved up for the second consecutive week, but the resistance at 47,400 is still holding well. A break above it can take the Nifty Bank Index up to 48,000. Supports are at 46,400 and 46,000. So broadly, 46,000 to 48,000 will continue to remain as a trading range for the Nifty Bank Index. A break above 48,000 can take it up to 49,000. On the other hand, a break below 46,000 can take it down to 45,000. The support at 39,200 has held very well as expected. The Dow Jones has risen back sharply last week in line with our expectation. This keeps the overall bullish view intact. Resistance is around 4200, which can be tested this week. A strong break above it can take the Dow Jones up to 4600 and 4800 in the coming weeks. In case the index turns down from around 4200, a fall to 39,500 can be seen. Overall, the Nifty and Nifty Bank Index can move further up in the coming week. But we prefer to remain cautious rather than being overly bullish at this point of time. Nifty has supports at 22,165 and 21,950. Resistance is at 22,530. A break above 22,530 can take the Nifty up to 22,900 and 23,200. On the other hand, if the Nifty falls below 21,950, we can see it coming down to 21,700 and 21,500. Nifty Bank Index has supports at 46,400 and 46,000. Intermediate resistance is at 47,400. A break above it can take the Nifty Bank Index up to 48,000. So broadly, 46,000 to 48,000 will be the trading range for the Nifty Bank Index. A breakout on either side of this range will decide whether the index can go up to 49,000 or fall to 45,000. Dow Jones is looking bullish. It can move up to 4200, which is an immediate resistance. A break above it can take the Dow Jones up to 4600 and 4800. In case the Dow Jones turns down from around 4200, we can see a fall to 39,500. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.